Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome synchronization post error. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open your browser. Therefore, you have to click on the three button option and go ahead and search for the settings option right here. Then after you do so, go ahead and click on privacy and security, and once you have done that, go to the site settings. Make sure here, as you can see, that all these are good as I have right now, and go all the way down here, and as you can see, you will find this additional content settings. What you will need to do, guys, here is to click right on it and go for on device site data. So I'm going to click on it right here and make sure that you have this default behavior is to allow site to save data on your device. If you have any other option, it will not allow all the data to be like synchronized with your device. So once you have allowed this option, make sure to go right here and add this thing, which is account.google.com. Click on add, and this will allow to save data on your device. So this will allow the Google to save every single data on your device. Once you have done that, you are simply going to do is to close your browser and reopen it, and everything should be working. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.